Quick summary of our administrative council that took place a week ago, Tuesday, November 16th. As we do so, may we truly understand. We met with prayer, we approved the agenda, minutes from the last meeting. Report on the capital campaign, an update. Total parishioner commitment to our campaign so far is $1,446,971, and we have received so far $315,311. As we are making some of these kind of movements towards cleaning up and working on the church, we'd ask that you would consider it. Capital campaign and the building fund have been a little bit confused. Hopefully that you can mark your envelopes clearer or circle what you really want the intended for, if it's for the building fund or for the capital campaign. Masses have resumed. Attendance are moving up, about 240 this past weekend. We have had 6 First Communicants, 3 baptisms, still reopening. We've had a number of funerals already. First wedding this coming weekend, wasn't in the meeting, but it's coming up. We have another baptism this weekend, so pray for all the individuals involved. Youth room and the music room. Couches for the youth room have been ordered. They have not yet arrived, and cabinets have been ordered also for the back of the stage where the music room will be placed for performances, programs, and a classroom. Additional items. With the new fiscal year starting July 1st, we will be adjusting our mass times to allow for programming changes in the fall. Changes will be noted in the bulletin. Basically, St. Boniface will have their Mass Saturday evening at 6:30. The 11 a.m. Mass on Sunday morning here at St. Anastasia will move to 10:30, with some adult education in between. Audiovisual updates to the church, we are looking at that as part of the capital campaign. This will allow for better projection, sound recording, and live streaming in church. Jody Stoffel and Jeff Lane have completed their terms on the Administrative Council. Thank you to your service. New members will be joining with us in July. The administrative report, new accounting system, payroll system, will start with the new fiscal year July 1st, up and running, looking good. Budget numbers were reviewed and adjusted due to COVID-19 requirements. We may still have additional expenses related to COVID-19, which are not currently included in the budget. We will have to wait to hear what the requirements for school will be to resume this fall. Our Payroll Protection Program grant was received on April 17th. Currently working on pulling together our expenses. Reports for lending agent will be filed by July 15th. Ongoing work on COVID preparedness plan will be done, as we even looked at it yesterday, Monday. It will be totally placed and updated as needed. The statements, May offerings were down $29,000 from last year, $19,000 down from the year-to-date budget. We have 108 members signed up for online giving, which is an additional 23 since March. Thank you to those many members that continue to faithfully give us what we can provide, so we can provide the programming that is needed and desired by our members. Fall Festival Committee met June 14th, discussed how to do a socially distant festival. Items discussed: raffle tickets, pre-order takeout dinners, family-friendly activity, competitions, all done at a distance. More things to be coming as plans are solidified. The Kids Depot received a Child Care Aware of Minnesota grant on May 29th. Due to the COVID, they received also one yesterday, so 2 grants have been received since this. Waiting for new guidelines on increasing the number of students, teachers per room due to COVID. We currently have a waiting list of students wanting to return. Great curriculum development for the summer for kids to travel around the world. Since again the swimming pool, many other things will not be, we've actually enacted a whole program that they can look at the world around them. In the fall, there will be need for additional replacement staff as summer staff of college students will be returning. Staffing requirements will depend on school opening for the coming year and if distance learning will be needed. Cemetery report, quarterly meeting, July 9th, coming up next month. School report. Annual report to stakeholders is available on the church and school websites. Strategic plan is available on request. 46 students currently enrolled, estimating 54. Please consider St. Anastasia School as a great place to educate your children's faith and knowledge. COVID preparedness plan is being created in collaboration with other schools, the Minnesota Department of Health, and all of the other agencies. Plans for this fall are ongoing. Later July, the state should be making a final move to how it should all take place. Ongoing review of programs and facilities are taking place. Website update, ongoing. Work with audiovisual considerations are being worked on with the church. First Communion, sacraments. We receive their First Communion by scheduling a Mass of their choice and celebrating with their family. No large First Communion group will take place this year. Confirmation is scheduled for Saturday, March 6, 2021 at 4:30. This may change due to retirement of Bishop Lavore on February 1st, 2021. K-5 and adult education classes will be scheduled between the 7:30 and 10:30 Mass on Sundays. Their survey has been sent out to families from 6th to 11th grade students, asking their preference of scheduling classes on Wednesdays or Sunday evenings. We are looking at starting a children's choir and a youth choir. Watch for additional information regarding these choirs. Adjournment, and our next meeting, July 21st. Please know that all of you are greatly missed. As we said, we have about 240 that have been here already. We look forward to the day we can all get together once again to praise the Lord as our church family. Take care. Stay safe.